Hi guys, today in this video I will speak in detail about one of the biggest challenges of a student, a learner or a person in any profession, that is how to learn and speak English. Dear friends, whenever I have come across this question either from my friends or from my students, I just reply them that it's very easy and very simple to learn and speak English. In this video, I will tell you 7 methods by following which I can assure you will be speaking English within a few months. In fact, in our daily life, we get to hear so many English words and sentences. So to start off, I must say that English is the most spoken language in today's world. If it were to be so tough, then the majority of the people would not be speaking English today. So to learn any new language and to learn specifically English, it becomes very difficult initially. But as we gradually learn the language, it becomes easier and easier. So let me take you back to our childhood. When we were kids, we didn't have a formal education. Neither our parents taught us the structure, composition and grammar of our mother tongue. Yet we learned the language. So how it was possible? It was possible because of one thing, that is observation. Yes friends, to learn anything we need to observe first. So we need to observe how and what people speak in English. But why we need to learn English? We need to learn English because English has become one of the most important languages in this present world for our academic purposes, for official purposes, for career advancement, for traveling purposes, or simply to communicate with other people, we need to learn this language. Well, that being said, let me categorize all those people who want to learn English into 2 categories. In the first category, I put all those people who had absolutely no knowledge of English or had no formal education, yet they can learn it. In the second category, I put all those people who had some basic knowledge about English, who can understand it, but when it comes to speaking, they hesitate or they take a step back. Why do they do so? It is because of the fear of confidence or fluency. So for the first category of people who do not know English at all, how they can learn English? They can learn English just like a child. As a child learns his or her mother tongue by simply observing a particular speech and its corresponding action over and over again, and thereby comes to learn the language. Similarly, a person can learn. I'll give you an example here. You might have noticed so many students, workers or people move to new places and they find it very difficult to communicate with the local people because they do not know the language. But as they live there for 6 months to a year or 2, you will gradually notice that they will have picked up the language. So how it is possible? It is possible because they lived in a place where they were surrounded by people who spoke one language. In the similar fashion, a person who has no knowledge of English can learn it if he or she remains in an environment where he or she is surrounded by people who speak English always. That's how they can learn the language. For the second category of people who have some basic knowledge about English but they cannot articulate it because of the lack of confidence, fluency or some fear factor. In this video, I will tell you 7 methods by following which I can guarantee they can speak English within a few months. So the first method is listen and observe carefully. Yes friends, whenever you come across people speaking English in front of you, either your friends, teachers, colleagues or co-workers, just pay heed to what they say and remember everything in your mind. Come back home and practice it 5 to 10 times. Unless and until you make it your own, you do not give up, you practice it. The second method is by listening to radio or watching television. Yes friends, whenever you are listening to a radio or watching an interview, a news broadcasting or a film on your television or on your mobile phone, you will get to hear so many new and exciting words, phrases and sentences. What you have to do is that immediately jot them down on a copy that is meant specifically to learn English. And all the new vocabularies that you learn, you will have to find out its meaning from the dictionary that you might have downloaded on your mobile phone. and put all the new words into the favorite list of words and learn them and practice as many times as possible. The third method is learning from peer group. Yes friends, among your friend circles, there will be some friends who are very much interested and passionate about learning English. So find out all those friends, form a group of 3 to 4 friends, and whatever you learn on a daily basis, talk to each other. But make sure you do not make the group so big enough that you find yourself uncomfortable to open up yourself. The fourth method is learning from a phone call. Friends, make a phone call to one of your closest friends who you are very much comfortable with. Talk to that person regularly and tell your friend that whenever you make mistake, let that friend correct you whenever you make mistake. But make sure your friend is good at speaking English. The fifth method is read and write extensively. Friends, make a habit of reading at least 3 to 4 hours daily. By reading a book, a journal, a newspaper, or an article, or whatever you get randomly, just read them. By reading them, you will get so many new and exciting and interesting expressions, words, sentences, and phrases. Whatever you learn, practice them and use them. Also, write a page or two daily on different topics, and having written them, read them aloud, and that's how you will learn English very fast. The sixth method is stand in front of a mirror and practice. Friends, if you are very much reluctant to talk to others or very much shy in nature, then it's better that you remain inside your home or preferably inside your room. Stand in front of a mirror and practice. By doing so, you will get to know your expressions and the fear of confidence will gradually disappear. And by doing so, you will get confidence which will further help you when you talk to a stranger or a friend. The seventh and the last method is watch an English program. Dear friends, of all the methods that I said you, this is the best method. You don't have to have a pen or paper for this method. You can watch daily 3 to 4 hours an English channel or English program. By frequently watching English people speak English, you will remain in an environment through your imagination where you will get to know and very fast pick up the language. That's how you will learn English very fast. So if you follow these 7 methods, then I can assure you, I can guarantee and I believe that you will be speaking English within a couple of months. So at the end, I just want to say that if you want to learn and speak English faster, then there is no other way than to practice it for hours and hours and speaking it daily. It's like if you want to become a cricketer, then there is no way you are going to become a cricketer by watching it on the television. You have to go to the ground and practice it day in and day out. And do not worry about whether I am speaking good English or bad English. Just remember one thing, that no one is perfect, and as George Bernard Shaw has very rightly said, there is nothing called good English or bad English. There is only broken English and spoken English. So the more you practice, the better your confidence will be and the more fluent English you will speak. That's it. So friends, if you liked this video, then give a thumbs up and share this video among all your friends who want to learn and speak English. And click and subscribe my channel so that you get new notifications for my upcoming videos. All the very best.